Okay, so I wanted to make a video, basically the first time that I'm doing this, taking the keyboard apart for the first time, and I wanted to get it on video and put it up, because maybe it'll end up being interesting. So this is a keyboard I just got. It is manufactured by, according to the sticker, Univac. Univac. I don't know what they did. Obviously they made computers. It sounds like they made vacuums. That must not be the case. So it's micro switch SD, and I'll go into basically what I've observed so far. Nothing too fantastical yet, but we'll get there. So first thing I'm going to do is flip it over, and I did observe this already. The hardware, well, some hardware, I don't know what it's for, has been removed and taped here. So obviously somebody took it apart. So I'm just going to remove those pieces of tape. And then there's no screws there. There are some screws way down there, so I will find a bit to get down there. I don't know if it was like videoing, and not a big deal, but okay. Oh, they're all stuck to the tape. Okay, so finally got the screws out. We had to use the back of the tweezers, like this part, because it's kind of flat. They're really deep. And I just don't have a normal screwdriver. I've got this cheap one. So on the back there's some screw-on feet, and then we'll open it up. Oh, also look how long the cable is, and it's not really a cable, it's more like a ribbon. Because yes, it is a ribbon cable, but I'll measure that maybe. So maybe I'll flip it over in order to open it. Yeah, maybe I'll measure the cable and weigh it, and then put it all in the wiki like a good DTer. So yeah, there's some grass in there. Here you can see printed, it says manufactured by Microswitch in Freeport, Illinois. Cool. So it's from not too far away. On the reverse side, you could see some crazy traces to the PCB, and then the kind of signature 4-pin, because they have 4 pins on the switch. Other things, there's, okay, interesting. So I don't know if this is normal on micro switch boards. I don't really know anything about them, but there's little kind of what are those called, rivets, little plastic rivets. Other things, maybe I will pull a keycap. What they look like. One thing that I noticed was the keys, like the alpha keys, are much lighter than these buttons. These are more like action buttons, like start, take, proof, take, list. Put this guy back. Other things, I don't know. I'm going to do more with this board, I'm just not sure what. I'd like to see if it spits out anything. I don't know if I have the ability to do that, so who knows. That's probably the only chance I have at converting it. I'm well aware of that. And yeah, I'll try to add to this as I figure things out. Is it good?
Very good.